On an earlier video, a subscriber left me a comment about the content in that video. I responded to him, but I don't think I gave him the best answer or the most detailed answer that I could. So I want to address that in this video and walk you through how we get customer reviews all the time. All that right after this. Hey, I'm Matthew, and you're at Car Count Hackers. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Car Count Hackers is all about helping auto repair shop owners fix their car count, get more customers, and finally start making the money that you know you deserve. I recently did a video that explained my one question review that just knocks it out of the park when you're looking to get customer reviews. After all, we know that you can never have enough reviews, can you? Like, really? One of my subscribers left a comment, and let me show that to you right now. Charles Hale said, "Matthew, great information you've just shared." Thank you, Charles. I really do appreciate it. These are all simple and virtually no cost or low cost ideas that get social reviews for any business. I'll be adding this form to our website as soon as possible. We're already set up for text, and that made me watch the video again because I wasn't 100% sure I said everything. I did, but I didn't emphasize it. So I wanted to address that and give you the step-by-step process of how to get more customer reviews. So right now I'm going to share my screen, show you how the Car Count Hackers do it, walk you through it, and we'll jump back over here, and then I'll be able to give you the pro hacks at the end.
Okay, so here's how the Car Count Hackers do it. We're logged into the GoMo text messaging system, and we just click on the one question review. Now, what's so cool about this is that the entire message is pre-formatted, and you just have to change a couple of things. So we're just going to start by entering a phone number, and I'm going to use my own cell phone. Number 2, I'm just going to double click here and enter my name. And the third part's real hard. Send message. But what I want to draw your attention to is this. As soon as we've identified who we are by saying, it's Bob at your shop, the first sentence is, "Thank you for your last visit." So what's important about this is that I know you don't have time to, stop everything you're doing and send this out. So this could be done once every 2 or 3 days. This could be done at the end of the week. But just saying to the customer, "Thank you for your last visit," you're thanking them. You know they've got a choice in where they do auto repair, and it sets up this so that you don't have to stop what you're doing and send these out right away. The second part of the message is, "I've got one question for you. Can you please give me your answer?" And then a bit.ly link. So I'm going to go over to my phone and have a look at this message and walk you through it. Okay, so now here's the way the text message appears on my phone, or as it would go out to your customer. "Matthew, it's Bob from Bob's Auto. Thank you for your last visit. Critical." And you're not putting a timeline on this, not like you're saying thank you for your for your visit yesterday or earlier today or last Tuesday. So this leaves a little bit of room for you on this. "I've got one question for you. Can you please give me your answer?" And we typically use bit.ly links. So when I click that link, I get directed to a web page. Now here's where the magic starts. Of course, you should be identifying yourself first with your logo, but say, "I've got one quick question for you," because everyone's got time for a quick question, don't they? It's your name from your shop. "I've got one question for you in 50 words or less." This is what's critical. 50 words or less. So you're already setting me up that I don't have to I'm not writing you an essay or a long thing. Some people will write. But in 50 words or less, how would you complete this statement? Now here's something else you want to add. If you've got a Gmail account, you can leave your answer on Google. Now this link isn't working, but typically we take the repair shop and we insert their Google link. And the question is, what I like most about your shop. So in the form part where they fill it out, what I like most about your shop is they leave a name, a best email, And here's my answer. So this is a live form, but I just want you to be sure that you understand this, that you're asking them for just one quick question. Nothing serious. I don't want to waste your time. One quick question. And you're using the term in 50 words or less. And add a Google link so that if they have a Gmail account, they can leave it there, because that's going to help your search rankings on Google. And what I like most about your shop is the question. Okay, so now let's get back to it and get some pro hack tips on this.
What did you think of that? Wasn't that pretty cool? Okay, so pro hack number 1. Don't forget to thank your customer. They've got a choice of where they can go for auto repair, so in that initial contact with them, thank them for their last visit. The other thing is, you're not pushed to do it, stop everything you're doing and do this. Second, I said this in the previous video, but I didn't emphasize it. When you send a message to your customer and you direct them to a web page or whatever, start that statement within 50 words or less. That can really help a person who's, I don't know if I want to write a review and I don't have time, but you set it up for them. 50 words or less. Now let me tell you this from experience, and I've seen thousands of these things come in with my car count hackers. There are some people that will write. They will go on and write 3 or 4 paragraphs, and that's fine. There's other people that'll leave 3 or 4 words, and that's fine too. The gist of this is you start that question with in 50 words or less. The next pro hack is include your Google link when you send stuff out. Now understand, if I don't have a Gmail address, I can't leave you a Google review on your business page. But there's a lot of people who do have Google email addresses, and they'll be logged in on their phone and they'll leave you a review there. That now helps you improve in rankings with more reviews on Google. The next pro hack, no matter where those reviews get posted, whether it be in an email form back to you, whether it be on Yelp, Google, or anywhere else, copy and paste them and put them on your website so that you're always able to direct website visitors to your customer reviews. Look, you don't know whether the customer went to Google first or Yelp. You don't know where they found you. So it's important to be sure you put them on your website so they're there for everyone to see. Now, I welcome your comments and questions. While you're here, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I would love to have you do that. Car Count Hackers is all about helping auto repair shop owners fix their car count, get more customers, and finally make the money you deserve. So go ahead and click that subscribe link, and don't forget to head over to Car Count Hackers and pick up these great downloads I have for you. All the links for those are included in the show notes below, so don't hesitate. In the meantime, my name's Matthew Lee, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.